Hello everyone, if you are interested to study in Sweden on scholarship, then this video is useful for you and you can watch the complete video. Okay, stay with me and today we'll talk about study in Sweden. They mentioned that, okay, so there are a bit more to it than this, but essential scholarship is a way to make all your dreams come true, and we offer lots of different types of scholarships and you might be eligible for one. So these are different list of 36 scholarships. These are different scholarships, university scholarships like BTH scholarships, and university scholarship. There are different kind of university scholarships. You can take a look here. So these are different scholarship, and I will make separately for each of them the separate video. Okay, in this video we'll talk about BTH scholarships. You will click here and it will take us to the page of BTH scholarship. Here we can see education and scholarship, BTH scholarship. Okay, scholarship program for prospective students and BTH scholarship program for current student. So here you can see what is meaning of prospective. Prospective means the students who are going to apply for admission. Okay, so these are prospective, and current students are those who are already studying at the university. Scholarship will cover your tuition fee in part and do not cover your living expenses. So this is the coverage of the scholarship. Okay, they have mentioned the coverage. BTH scholarship program for prospective students. BTH program for prospective students is available for citizens from BTH scholarship program for prospective students. BTH scholarship program for prospective students is available for citizens from non-EU EEA countries who are required to pay tuition fee for Swedish university education. Applicants to distance education at BTH are not eligible to apply for this scholarship. The scholarship covers tuition fee in a part. The living level of tuition fee reduction is normally 50%. No more than one scholarship from this program can be awarded to one person for the same education. The scholarship are granted based on academic excellence. Priority is given to applicant with the BTH study program as their first choice. Applicants are first ranked in each study program. In next, each scholarship recipients are selected considering their ranking and number of eligible applicant each study. Okay, how you can apply for the scholarship? You can apply at BTH scholarship after you have applied for BTH campus-based program or freestanding courses. Here, first you need to apply for the admission. Okay, after you will apply for the admission, then you can log in, okay, here on that tuition fee and scholarship portal and apply for the scholarship. So this was about how to apply and what is the coverage of the scholarship for prospective students, and this is BTS scholarship for current students. Here they don't need to apply for the admission as they are already a current student, so they just need to apply here, login and tuition fee and scholarship portal to apply. Here you can see the key dates. Okay, for each year they have different dates. Okay, and granted scholarships. If you have any question during scholarship uh, selection process after receiving BTS scholarship, before you apply you can take a look here. Yeah, so that was all about BTH scholarship. I will make the videos for other scholarships as well, and I hope that you have a great time to study in Sweden. Here you can see more about moving Sweden. Okay, then Swedish away permits and visas, accommodation, budget, health insurance. Okay, so this is about moving, and here you can see more about student blogs, You can see more information here on that pages. If you will have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you want to hear more about scholarship videos, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Take care and bye bye.